welcome back to the channel. As you see a little glimpse of something right here. Yeah. We now have two planers in this little shop. I bought, and it went on sale. Well, regular retail price is like $900 here in Canada. I bought it for $567. I think taxes included. I think so. So I'm like, sweet. So now this is going to be a head-to-head challenge between my Crafx with a helical head and this Dewalt 735 planer. The difference on the Dewalt is I am going to install a helical head in this one also. So whoever performs the best is going to be staying. The other one, I'm going to sell. Today's video is going to be a little different. Well, not a little different, but so most people when they get their planer, they have the extension wings to put on. I'm going to show you how to put them on. They are simple, fairly simple. So anybody likes it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I also have a project I'm going to do this weekend. I'm hoping I can finish it, but we shall see. And it's going to be making a cabinet for a dartboard. I played darts probably, I don't know, a while ago, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm like, so I bought myself a dartboard. I'm going to make it out of pallet wood. We'll see how it goes. So in your thing, you have your two wings. The wings are identical. You have these little suckers. You put the springs on like this. And then on the other end, there's a little nut like that. And I'll show you where they go. And then the other part of this is you have these little guys, which are little stops. So you got two holes on either side, top and bottom. One's bigger than the other. These little guys go on the bottom. These suckers go in, and then this just clips through. So it's just spring loaded. Doop, doop, dunk. So I'll show you the holes and I'll show you the process. Okay, dokie smoky. So these little guys, these are your stoppers. They just screw in, and they screw in with a 4mm Allen key. And the 4mm will work with these little guys too. And you're going to also need a 10mm wrench, because you're going to have to, there's a nut. I'm going to do this one really quick. Oh yeah, if I had a good Allen key. Lovely. Okay, so the other one, which is over here. Okay, you can't see squat. No, you can't see nothing. So, in essence, you just, oh, you can't see anything. Okay, So, to give you a point of reference, this is like spring loaded. And all you're doing is putting a nut on the end of it. So, push, find the ting, put the nut on. Wrench, tighten, and you take a thing, so then you take one of your shelves or one of your things, and they just like, okay, let's do that side. It just slides in the little hole, and then you just depress this one and it locks in, and that's it. Literally, that's it. And then you can do that. So I'm gonna put the back end on and come back. So that's how simple it is to put on these tables. Now the pain in the butt part is to adjust them so they're somewhat flat. And the problem is under load, who knows, but I'm gonna get them close because I'm gonna end up putting my my sled in there. Not my sled. It's I'll have it right here. It's a video putting down my anti snipe sled, and it works pretty well. So give it a look, and I might have to make another one because I think this is longer than my other one. Whatever. So to adjust them, it's pretty simple. You've got one right here, and you got one right here, and you just kind of play with it. Nice straight edge, level. I would do at least a 4 foot. Yeah, that's what I have. I have a 4 foot straight edge, and that's how I check my stuff. So I'm gonna play around with it, get it level, and call her done. Very simple. I'm excited to change out the head on this. I'm not even gonna run it with the straight knives. I'm just gonna buy the helical head, put it in from Sheelix, and do a head-to-head between Dewalt 735 and the Crafx, what is it, 502? Well, the CX series. I think it's 502. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it is. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.